We combine the talents of our team with traditional methods to produce the most stunning creations. Creations which totally transform a property's surroundings. Welcome to W Fabrications of Leeds. We use the highest quality materials to bring you bespoke, stylish, unique, custom-built gates, railings, security grills, fire escapes, and more, which in turn look amazing and provide high levels of security. We've been serving customers in and around Yorkshire for over 20 years, and as word continues to spread about the work we do, demand for our products continues to grow. With an on-site welding service available too, whether it's for the home or work premises. If you're looking for the very best, you just have to talk to the experts here at W Fabrications.